Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim. And as you guys saw, I did bedazzle my Trader Joe's pastel bag, guys. So I actually bought this one from a reseller. Yes, I gave in, guys, because I was told they were not going to bring them back. But then over the weekend, I heard they were going to restock, and I was lucky enough to score some, guys. I hope you got some too, guys. And today I want to show you how to upscale them even more by bedazzling them. So if you want to learn exactly how I did it, keep on watching. Starting off with the rhinestones I have these purple AB rhinestones in the size SS6, 10, and 12, guys. Remember, all materials are always linked down below in the description if you are interested in anything. So guys, I am also going to be using some pink AB rhinestones. I will be talking about them later on once I start using them. So now I am also using liquid fusion as my adhesive. I do have it in a precision tip bottle just to make it easier to apply. And I also have my pickup tool to apply the rhinestones. So now to the bedazzling. I am starting off on the logo, applying a thin line of liquid fusion, working by section so my glue doesn't dry out, and then applying the rhinestones. For those corners, I did apply the SS6 and then I went in with the SS10 all across the line. It fits perfectly throughout the whole line. Again, still working by sections. Remember to double check your work. And I did do the same exact thing to the bottom line as well. Now that I am done bedazzling those lines, I'm going to start working on the letters. Going letter by letter, applying the liquid fusion, and then going in with the rhinestones. For the letters, I did use the size SS6, SS10, and SS16. You guys are going to see, based on the area that I am working on, that is the rhinestone I'm going to use to fill it in. I don't want my rhinestones overlapping the letters because I still want to be able to see them clearly. Very simple to do, guys. So now I'm going to let you guys watch how I bedazzle all the letters, and while giving you guys tips as well. If you get the point, you can go ahead and skip this and move on to the next step, but I do hope you stay and watch. And in the meantime, you can also go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Make sure also when you are applying the glue that it is a bit thick because the fabric soaks up the glue very quickly. So you want to make sure that there is still some there. So when you are applying the rhinestones, they do stick. So let me know also, leave a little comment down below. Were you able to snag the bags yesterday? I actually called all my Trader Joe's stores and I was like, are you guys gonna have them in stock? Because I totally did miss out on the first drop. I was like, nope, I'm not getting into another trend thing. And guys, here I was trying to look to buy from a reseller. I did buy this one, but it was literally the same week that I heard that they were gonna restock. So I was like, okay, I'm not buying anymore, and I was able to snag them, guys, and I'm so happy. These are a perfect gift for Mother's Day, you know, for Teachers Appreciation Week as well. And I love Trader Joe's anyways, so I always need bags like these. I don't get free bags at the grocery store, guys, so I do need bags. I am just so happy they brought them back, guys. And look how cute they look bedazzled. Oh my gosh, go ahead and bedazzle, guys, your own bag and let me know what you think. If you feel comfortable doing multiple letters at a time, you can also do that, whatever you feel comfortable with. I did use the size SS16 just for the J, O, and S. Those were the thicker letters, so the 16 fit perfectly. I felt like the 10 was too small for the thicker area, so I did use the 16 just for those 3 letters. And they fit perfect. They did not overlap. They were perfect. Also, remember to always double check your work. Make sure the rhinestones are nicely flat onto the fabric. And I was debating to bedazzle the little R for the trademark, but I was like, you know what, it needs to be bedazzled. So I did go over it with some liquid fusion and then with the size SS6 throughout the whole thing. And it came out super cute. I thought it was so adorable. It goes perfect with the logo. So guys, what do you think about the logo? It looks so cute, right? So now guys, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna add some bling to the straps in the front, the pink ones. I am using some AB pink rhinestones, sizes ranging from SS6 through SS20. I will link them down below in the description as well. But like I was saying, so this is just for the straps right in the front, not the handles and not the bottom, because you know when you put stuff in the bag, these are still usable, guys. So I don't want them to get messed up if I put any in the bottom or on the handle. So just right here in the front, as you guys saw, I just dotted the glue throughout the whole little strap right here. And then now I am just putting a different blend of rhinestones throughout the whole thing. Again, sizes range from SS6 through 20. And if I did have larger rhinestones, for example the 20s, I did apply a little bit more glue if needed, just to make sure that they were going to be nicely placed onto the strap. And this is optional, guys. If you just want to do the logo, you can do that, or if you want to do a different design, that's fine too. This is just how I did it. I thought it would look so cute, and it does, guys. I love it. So cute. If you want to do this by sections, not the whole strap like I did, you can also do that, just to make sure your glue doesn't dry out on you and prevent them from falling off. That's up to you. But very simple, guys. Very easy to do. And I did the same thing to the other strap as well. So this is how they both look now, guys. I did let this side dry for a bit before I flipped it and did the same exact thing to the other side. Yes, I did both sides. If you want to do one, that's up to you, but I did do both. So like I said, do let it dry for a bit before you do the other side, so it does not damage it once it's on, you know, its back. So I did this side and this is my results. Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I am obsessed. Just what a difference a little bling can do, right? It is so cute. I love it. I want to do some more, guys. Let me know what you think. Are you going to bling yours out? I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment down below and let me know what you think. So cute, guys. I just love it. I hope you were able to snag your Trader Joe's bag as well. Look how cute it looks outside the store, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.